Well, good morning, traders. It is the 8th of February, 2018 this morning. My name is Thomas Ryan, and if you've followed our videos before, you know how we do this. We are, up the top of the screen here, you'll see our current stats. So we've gone 100% short in the last few days as the market has sold off, and it's paid off well for us, so we're running, well ahead of the market right now. The market is a little bit stalled out. It's not doing what we really want it to do, which is to move. So we're kind of going sideways on the trades right now. And we have open short positions, but we're not opening any new positions until we get a little more direction in the market. And again, here just a warning, a reminder: trade at your own risk. It's not for everybody, and there's no system that's ever been developed that can guarantee profits or ensure freedom from losses. And we don't want you to consider any of this as a specific advisory recommendation. This is our system. You can watch it, learn it, trade it if you like. So once again, this is my TC2000 screen. If you've been here before, again, you've seen it. You know how we do this. And we are these are the markets up here: NASDAQ, Dow, gold, oil, Qs, and we'll take a look at some of the trades that we're in right now. Vertex Pharmaceuticals, we're short. We're 100% short. These are the daily trades. So this is what we have cleared so far in the system. We went short right up here. We have a stop right here on this one, and we are waiting for 3R. We almost went to 3R on it right here. But as you see, the market is doing this, kind of going sideways. So, my belief remains that the market's going to do this little bit of a retracement from this bar here. Let's go back up to the Dow and look at that for a minute. So it's retracing this big drop off right here. It's stalling out at the moving averages. This is the Fibonacci on this move, if you like to use the Fibonacci tool. So it stalled out right in this range here, which is about where we thought it was going to stall out. Right to see, there's a little bit of a jog, a little bit of support going on right there, and that, sure enough, that's what it's doing. So we'll see if it's willing to break through these moving averages, but it doesn't appear to be doing that. It appears to be moving right up into this zone right here, right around this, what is that, 61.8 Fibonacci, and then it's going to probably continue on down for a little bit of a trail. My guess is, we'll probably see it pull back down at least to the weekly moving averages down here. The monthly moving averages over here, maybe as low as this. I think that's the 12 period right there. Yeah, that's the 12-month moving average. It touched that back in 16. It hasn't touched it, in what, 2 years? Amazing. So it's got to rest a little bit. It's got to pull back. The volume on this sell-off was pretty significant. The volume on this retracement bar here was also significant. So it's a wild ride right now. That's Vertex. That was one. Here's KW. We're still in that one short as well. This was more of a typical. This Vertex. This is more of a counter trend. It's obviously a counter trend. You can see the stock is way up here. So we shorted it right pretty much near the top on the the low of this bar right here, this candle right here. We'll see if we get any more movement on that one. This KW, this is more typical of the trades we would take. This is a trend following trade right off the bottom of this low right there. I think New York Times was a counter trade also. Yeah. Doing well, but you do the counter trades, you can get some big moves out of those, but they tend to kind of bounce around a lot. We don't generally do that. We had such strong indicators of this sell-off that, we decided we would take some of these counter trades because they could really fall a long way. But we'll see whether that's got any more legs in it or not. But we're profitable, generally 2R profitable. Some cases we actually went to 3R in one of these the other day. Here's Harris. This is probably going to stop out today, but it's already been... I think we're already into 2R on Harris as well. So, they're all profitable. Question is, how far can we have them go? But we don't have any more trades open right now for the dailies. We're just sitting on these positions. Going to wait until we get some movement out of this zone right in here. Does anybody know where this is going to go? I don't think so. My guess is, again, as I said, it's going to pull back down maybe to these weekly averages here, which is a long way down. Look at that. Gosh, that's 22,795 down to there. Where's the monthly? Whoops, hang on just a second. Yeah, the 12 periods, well, there's, the 12-month moving average, 23,000. So again, you got another potential here for another 1,000 points. We've already been down 1,000 points from where we are now, so it easily could go another 1,000 down, but it could be a bumpy ride on the way down there. So we're going to just, hang loose here for a while, stay in these positions. We'll see what develops, and we're not going to rush into anything. We're doing great. We're beating the market nicely. We're just going to hold on to those gains and see what we can find, see what develops. Thanks again for joining us. If you want to, if you want to come in and try one of our free trials, please do. It's 30-day free trial, ttryanco.com. We don't take any credit cards on these trials. You just give us your email address and we'll start sending them off to you for 30 days. If it's a style and a system that you like, then you can come on board. $50 a month, $400 a year, and see if we can make some money together. Thanks very much.